What's up everyone? Today we are installing the C7 Carbon Race Edition rear spoiler in carbon fiber. I'll show you guys real quick. Not gonna lie, it took like 4 months to get this thing. I was getting a little impatient because they said it'd be like 6 to 8 weeks, I think. So it took double that. It seems to have came out perfect though. I'll show you guys more as I unbox it, but I don't think there's any flaws. It should fit pretty good as well. So fingers crossed, you know, it's worth the wait, but seems like a solid piece. So I'm gonna get started with this install. Just very quickly threw it on the car, give you guys a better look at this thing. But yeah, the quality seems very nice of the actual weave itself. I think it's gonna look really good. Here's a little sneak peek. All right, man, let's get this thing drilled out and bolted on. Well guys, the spoiler is on. It looks very clean. Love it. Love the way it looks. But I think I'm gonna take it one step further and ceramic coat it real quick. I already got the stuff, so might as well protect my investment a little bit. And speaking of that, I did notice the corner here is chipped. It came chipped. Sadly, I noticed it after I unboxed it. And I'll be contacting them about that, see if they can work something out with me. But other than that, it's pretty much perfect. Looks great. So I'm gonna ceramic coat this thing. Well guys, I think that's about gonna do it for this video, man. We got the C7 Carbon Race Edition spoiler installed. This thing looks sick, honestly. Now that I see it bolted down and, you know, with my lights on and stuff, it contrasts really well with the white. I'm gonna have to take this thing out, get some better angles of it, but this thing does look sick, not gonna lie. Wasn't sure how I felt about it. you know, seeing them on other people's cars, but I do really like it. Looks amazing in person. And I guess next I'll have to do carbon side skirts and front lip, probably rear diffuser as well, to match it all up, because I just got the thick on the rest of the car. But I think that's gonna be it, man. Appreciate y'all for watching, and until next time.